In this video of the MCP for HR Playbook series, we will learn how to manage leaves and holidays using uKnowva's virtual assistant, powered by MCP, in uKnowva HRMS. To begin, from your uKnowva HRMS instance, go to the side navigation panel. From there, click on the uKnowva Agent menu. This will open the MCP AI chat interface, where you can interact with the assistant using simple conversational prompts. Let's start by checking the leave balance. In the chat box, simply type, "Show me my leave balance." The AI assistant will instantly fetch and display your available leave balances from the HRMS system. Now let's check the holiday calendar. Type the prompt, "View holiday calendar." The assistant will display the list of holidays configured in your organization. Next, let's view the available leave types. Type, "Get me the leave types." The AI assistant will display all the leave types available for you, such as casual leave, sick leave, earned leave, optional holiday, and others, based on your company policies. Now, let's view the leave history. Simply type, "Show my leaves." The assistant will display your applied leave records and leave history directly within the chat interface. Now let's apply for leave. Type the prompt, "Apply for leave." The assistant will now ask for details such as leave type, leave duration, and reason for absence. For example, you can respond with, "Apply leave without pay from June 4th, 2026 to June 4th, 2026 due to personal emergency." If you have sufficient leave balance, the leave request will automatically be submitted to your reporting manager for approval. Now let's check the updated leave history again. Type, "Show my leaves." The assistant will display the updated leave records, including the newly applied leave request. Next, let's see the list of optional holidays. Type the prompt, "Show the list of optional holidays." The MCP assistant will fetch and display all optional holidays available in your organization. Now let's apply for an optional holiday. Type, "Apply for an optional holiday." The assistant will ask for the name of the holiday, and the optional holiday request will then be submitted successfully. Now let's bookmark this conversation for future reference. Click on the bookmark icon above the chat window, and then click on New Bookmark. A pop-up window will appear. Enter a suitable title such as Leave Management. You can also add a description if needed, and then click on the Save button. The conversation will now be available in the bookmark section for quick future access. That's it. You now know how to manage leave-related activities using uKnowva's virtual assistant, powered by MCP. Thank you for watching.